Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe 3 for Train Dirty, Eat Clean. Today we're going to do a paleo chicken bowl. It's as easy as it comes. You need 4 ingredients. We need bacon, chicken, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Now basically all we're going to do, we're going to kick all 4 of these individually, bring them all together at the end, combine them. Very simple, very easy, but an incredible fusion of flavors and tastes. Extremely easy. You're going to love it. Let's go. So the ovens, we got the top oven at 375 for the bacon, and we have the bottom oven at 400 degrees for the sweet potatoes. Okay, now that we have the ovens preheated, what we're going to do is finish seasoning this chicken up. Already took some time to season one side up. We're going to finish this off with that garlic, Lowry's salt and pepper. And once we're done here, we're going to put those sweet potatoes in because they are the longest part of this whole entire recipe. 30 minutes each side. So let's do that now. We put these sweet potatoes in. Bottom oven, 400 degrees, 30 minutes aside. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flip those potatoes, get ready to finish up this dish. We're gonna flip these up real quick. Cook them thoroughly. And as we do that, we're going to put the bacon in. Remember, 375. 20 minutes on your bacon. Your kitchen will be clean. Your wife will be happy. What we need to do is get the chicken on the grill. If it's already seasoned up, what we're going to do is put it on the gas grill today. It's going to take all of about 7-8 minutes aside. So while everything else is cooking, what we'll do is we'll burn this up real good. Here in about 7 to 8 minutes, we'll flip that, check our bacon, check our potatoes. Let's get to the spinach. Okay, now that we have the potatoes in and flipped, we have the bacon in the oven and the chicken on the grill. Last step for this dish is to reduce down the spinach. Now if you've ever sauteed spinach, you have to understand what visually you're going to cook and what comes out is night and day difference. You need to double visually what you put in the pan that you expect to get out, because this thing shrinks down immensely. What we have is a pan on medium heat, a little bit of coconut oil, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this spinach, we're going to place it in, and me myself, I like to season it just a little bit. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Simple, don't overthink it. Let the heat do its work. Okay, so here we have it. Everything's finished. Sweet potatoes are done, the chicken's done, the bacon's done, and the spinach is sauteed all the way down. What I have taken the liberty to do is cut the chicken up, bite-sized morsels, take the sweet potato out, and done the same with that. What we're going to do now is we're going to plate up. Follow me as we do this. As you can see, this spinach has reduced down to a whole lot of nothing. We're going to make a bed of spinach. We're going to come back. I need my tongs. We're going to put some sweet potatoes in with the spinach. Follow that up with some of this grilled chicken. And last but not least, everybody's favorite, bacon. Take some of this bacon, sprinkle over the top, and that's it. There you have it, paleo chicken bowl. 4 ingredients, about an hour of your time. Train dirty, eat clean. Special shout out to my boy John Stallone, thehoneychannelonline.com. Check him out for all your honey needs, video needs. Stay tuned for recipe 4. Now the ovens are preheating. Let's go season that chicken up, get the other 3 ingredients ready to go.